St. Louis University, also known as SLU, is located in the dynamic urban center of St. Louis, Missouri's Midtown Arts District. Stretching over 281 acres, campus is home to nearly 130 buildings, where students thrive academically and socially, embrace hands-on learning opportunities, and make lifelong connections. Step through the archways that mark campus entrances and into a park-like setting. SLU's academic buildings are home to a dozen schools, colleges, and degree-granting centers. State-of-the-art classrooms, labs, and clinics help prepare students for careers in STEM, health, business, law, education, and the arts. One of campus's most recognizable buildings is Pius Library, home to more than 1 million volumes, including many rare books. It's also where you'll find SLU's Academic Technology Commons, equipped with 3D printers, recording studios, a virtual reality simulator, and more. Collaborative learning spaces that allow students to work closely with professors. The Interdisciplinary Science and Engineering Building, opened in 2020, features innovative teaching environments and flexible lab spaces. While the Doisy Research Center, whose iconic fleur-de-lis can be spotted from nearly anywhere on campus, is the home base for SLU's research in vaccine development, medicine, and more. Nearby, you'll find SLU's competitive School of Medicine, the first established west of the Mississippi River. A short shuttle ride away and strategically located near St. Louis's courthouses, the School of Law, another first in the region, stands 12 stories tall and is a landmark downtown. Also defining SLU's skyline are some of SLU's 11 apartment and residence hall options. Many residence halls feature learning communities, which are devoted to helping students achieve their academic goals and connect with other Billikens. Options range from single rooms to quads, courtyard apartments, or high-rises with views of the city, so you'll find an option perfect for you.